हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अ जर्नी बाय ट्रेन इंग्लिश एसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। रेलवे ट्रेन इज स्टिल अ पॉपुलर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इन आवर कंट्री. It has its own charm and pleasures. Although sometimes trains get late behind our expectations, yet people prefer traveling by them. Travel by train is comparatively safer and cheaper. Its seats are more roomy than those of buses and wagons. Passengers can get the facility of a berth in case of a long journey. The slow speed of the train enables the passengers to enjoy fresh air and green view of the outside world. Last month I had a chance to travel by train from my hometown Lahore to Rawalpindi. Its pleasant memories are still fresh in my mind. The elder brother of my friend was going to be married. He invited me and a few other friends to participate. We decided to travel by train. On the appointed day, when I reached the railway station, I found my friends waiting for me. The train was about to arrive. At last, the railway train arrived and stopped at the platform. Many of the passengers were getting down while the others felt impatient to board it. With great difficulty, we boarded the train but soon found our seats we had already got booked. After a while, the guard whistled and waved his green flag and our train started for Rawalpindi. No sooner did the train start moving than the people started gossiping. Some left heartily. Soon we were crossing the river Ravi. We saw people boating on the river. Some were playing different games along the bank of the river. Now the train was running at full speed. At last our train reached Rawalpindi station. We were received by our friend on the platform. It was very pleasant journey and I enjoyed it much. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं। अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोज़ देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। थैंक यू।